I am showing how to make olive jam at home. To prepare this olive jam, we need olive fruit, also known as jalpai, or Indian olive. Indian olives are the most underutilized fruit crop in India. This fruit contains 0.69% protein, 19.5% carbohydrates, 0.59% mineral matter, and the vitamin C content of dry leaves is 257 mg per 100 grams. The fruits are used to treat dysentery, diarrhea, and swollen gums. At first I am boiling this fruit using a pressure cooker. To prepare olive jam, I am taking small amount of jaggery. Jaggery is a concentrated product of sugarcane juice. It contains up to 50% sucrose, up to 20% invert sugars, and up to 20% moisture, with the remainder made up of other insoluble matter, such as wood ash, proteins, and bagasse fibers. Jaggery stimulates the digestive enzymes in the body by improving digestion. Jaggery acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the liver by flushing out toxins from the body. The iron and folate content in jaggery helps in maintaining proper blood circulation. Jaggery is a rich source of iron, and regular consumption of jaggery can increase hemoglobin levels in the blood. Jaggery helps in cleaning the blood and helps in having healthier skin and prevents acne, pimples, and other skin infections. After boiling, I am taking it out in a bowl and dipping it in cold water for a few minutes for cooling it. This is Panch Phoron Masala, which is a blend of 5 aromatic spices. The frying of these spices releases their essential oils, aroma, and flavors in the oil, and makes the dish tastier to eat. The name of the 5 aromatic spices are cumin seeds, nigellus seeds, fennel seeds, wild celery seeds, and fenugreek seeds.
ভালো অবসর আছে